In primetime news this evening, well-known retired Army General pilot dead in plane crash.
Calls for NEPA to get tough on big businesses following latest fish kill.
And tension rising in the PNP camp in southeast St. Catherine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, more airlift coming to Jamaica, especially from Europe. I'll tell you which airline and the details a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan. He'll tell us what's coming in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, remember that incident where a vehicle or a couple of vehicles were seen driving on the track at the Montego Bay Sports Complex? Well, that track, as we know, has fallen into disrepair for several years now. And there's a promise that work is going to begin soon. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
You know, soon is relative, Jordan. But anyway, from sports, we go to weather. Romain is here with a preview.
Thanks, Janella. We're still holding on to shower activity across the island for this week, especially across the west. But I'll tell you the details in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. Will you be watching the King's coronation tomorrow?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.